There's a lot of info out there about the GED, but how can you tell what's true or false? Let's break down some of the most common myths. Myth number 1. It's easy to get a GED. The GED journey is different for every student, but earning your GED is definitely doable if you prep right and have your mind set on achieving it. However, it's not something that happens overnight. It could take anywhere from weeks to months, depending on your study time and how comfortable you are with each subject before taking the real thing. Myth number 2. A GED isn't as good as a high school diploma. That's definitely not true. Just like a high school diploma, the GED shows colleges and employers that you have the knowledge and skills required at a high school level. In fact, 98% of colleges and employers accept the GED. Myth number 3. Math is impossible. Many students agree that math is the toughest subject. However, with enough preparation, you will be able to pass. We have tools designed to help you learn exactly what you need to pass math. We have GED live online classes specifically for math, GED practice questions, and study guides. Myth number 4. You're too old to get a GED. People leave high school for many reasons. Often it has nothing to do with learning ability. As soon as you want to complete your high school equivalency, the opportunities are there to do so with no maximum age limit. We've had amazing success stories from people 70 and up, proving it's never too late. Please visit www.mypybd.com and check out our e-learning platform for all of our online GED content. Located conveniently at Dhanmondi, Siddeshwari, Banani, and Uttara.